It's gonna be what?
Harry's a zombie. I shot him last episode and now he's alive again. There's a pube in my butter.
Ew. What? How fucking random is that? Harry's a zombie. Oh, there's a pube in my butter. Oh. Ew. What the fuck? Fuck you, pubes. Get my butter and shit.
Itchy boob.
And now itchy boob. Go from pubes to boobs in 5 minutes.
It rhymes. Leave me alone. I'll shoot you again.
No, mine.
No, then you'll turn into like a ghost zombie. I'm gonna shoot you in your mouth. Open wide. Open wide.
No.
Dick on. What am I doing? Open.
I closed my mouth before you shot, so it doesn't count. Just fucking shoot you anyway.
Shoot in the penis.
No, the penis! No! Ow.
It's been put to too much use anyway.
What's that? This is pretty epic. She looks so cool. Suck it, suck it, bitch. Oh, lick my finger.
Oh, I want to leave this room like right now.
You don't want to.
I really don't.
Lick it.
No.
I'll stick up your nose.
No.
Take
No,
a
no,
lick.
no,
Take a
Fuck.
lick.
You got me killed. Oh.
Good, I'm picking your bacon. Woo! Hello, Boggins. They can have Stefano voices.
My voice is Stefano. Alice.
Take on. I'm gonna make you sneeze. You should
I generally feel like sneezing right now.
You should so sneeze.
I generally feel like sneezing.
Go on, sneeze on my finger. Do it.
That is a weird fetish you have.
Sneeze on my finger.
You have one of the weirdest fetishes ever.
It looks like you're trying to suck my finger. Oh, that looks so sexy. Oh, I'm going to strike your face. Hello, my child. Oh god, this is fun.
That didn't sound like the voice of a soothing mother. It really didn't.
Oh, my arm really hurts.
Well, don't have an arm. I know, I fucking...
I'm poking your nose.
Yeah.
Sneeze, bitch. Sneeze, little bitch. Oh, finger. It's the cross. Jesus died on that thing. Oh yeah. Now you're actually picking your nose. I was just pretending to. Lick it. Lick it. Oh,
Just did.
sorry.
I'm lying, I used that finger.
Take it, take it, take it.
I'm going for a cigarette whilst you just talk to your
Posse on the YouTube.